Hey everybody, it's Drew. Just wanted to show what you can do with an Aquarock kit. Basically, it's Aquascape offers it. I got a bucket underneath here. It's basically a 5-gallon bucket that's just got a really strong lid on it. It's kind of poorly covered at the moment just because I worked with what I had rock-wise, which is pretty much just some excess from outside. Inside said bucket that's down under here, it's obviously filled up with some water. I drilled some holes on the outside of the bucket towards the bottom. Got a planter, this black thing here that I got at my local Home Depot. Basically just brought the bucket to Home Depot with me and made sure that it would fit inside a planter and at least be at least an inch, 2 inches underneath the rim here. That way no water would overflow if it ever came to it and I overfilled it. It's fairly poorly done at the moment just because I have wires hanging out and everything, but it well, first off, my cats love it, and my dog, they love drinking water off these things, but you get like 5 or 6 of these slate kind of rocks. They all got their own unique, you know, little ramps and divots and characteristics. And so there's a pump in there in that bucket that shoots some water up I think it's like a vinyl tubing or a rubber tube, and basically said tube I cut just below where you see the bubbles coming out right there, and then you just kind of see it splashing up, and you can just kind of move rocks around as you see fit to kind of direct the flow, or see if you want it to look all bubbly and whatnot, or kind of direct the water one particular way. I just have it set up like this. I mean, I don't really see a point in having the water going towards the back myself, just because where it's put, which is literally in the corner of a room. And I drilled a small hole. Let me see if I can expose this real quick. Small hole in the back. You can just barely see it, just enough to fit the plug through it. You kind of cover up with the wire through the planter and just have the wire going here, and the white one is just to a Amazon Cloud Cam that I have up there. But that's it. Like I said, my cats love it. They drink off of it. It adds some cool little bubbling noises. And yeah, it's pretty nice. I recommend it. It's only like not even 50 bucks, I don't think, and it's really cheap. You could probably do it even cheaper if you actually were a do-it-yourselfer and you have the drill bits and all to drill a perfect, like, yeah, I guess that's like a 3/4 to 1 inch hole through all these rocks and everything, and not worry about burning your tools out. But it's pretty nice. There's some close-ups of the sound and what it looks like. Just to be all sorts of extra, I wish that they kind of had something that I guess I could try to figure out here that would kind of spotlight the flow up here just a little bit. Like when it's dark out or nighttime, say, this could be used as kind of like a night light. That's the only thing that I'm trying to figure out now. So if you have any ideas, leave a comment below, because that'd be pretty nice to add. Obviously, I know I got to add some more rocks. I'm going to get probably another 50-pound bag of pea gravel, and I think I got like, I don't know, maybe 120 pounds of rock in here. Just kind of holding that bucket into place with the larger rock on the outside, and all this larger rock is pretty much going to be covered by pea gravel. I just I only had, you know, what I had at the time, so that's why it looks the way that it does. It'll look a lot nicer when it's got the this style rock all the way around, and the little extra bits of slate that, you know, broke off, like this little piece, just random break off pieces of slate during install and everything, and just came during the packaging. But yeah, so I recommend it. I'll see if I can find a link below from, say, Amazon or something, or another website I use, Webb's Water Gardens, which is based out of Maryland. And yeah, thanks for watching. Leave this video a like. See you in the next one.